Hi, and welcome to Unlimited 3D. In this video, we'll cover the setting up of the mesh node transitions. Start by navigating to the library in the top left menu, click on Transition, and create a new one. You can now name it and choose a transition type. It can be camera, camera control, or a mesh node. We will pick the mesh node, and along with that choice, we can pick any model part as a target. We will pick the seat. In the left sidebar, we have all the options for setting up this transition, such as target, camera position, transition duration, delay, and all other options which can be found here. First, we will change the position of that part. You can adjust it as you wish. We found here that this will be the optimal for our purpose. We will adjust the duration as well. When we're done with this one, we can move on to the next. The idea is to make a transition which will be the opposite to the previous one, such as returning the seat to the starting position. When we're done, we can republish the solution. In the HTML, we are replacing the API code to make all changes visible. Next, we will replace container ID with the ID of the pre-designated div. The model has now been placed and will now integrate the transitions as well. To do so, follow the next steps. Insert the code into the HTML. You can find it in our API documentation. Go back to the editor, copy the transitions names, and paste them in the HTML. Next, once again from the editor, copy the part name which we will connect with the transition. Paste it into the HTML, replacing the part underscore name. We will now also integrate the camera transition we made earlier, which we also want to have in the layout. Once we're done, go back to the web page to check how everything works. As you can see, all transitions are active. That's all you need to do in order to set up and integrate transitions on our platform. Thanks for watching. We're looking forward to having you as a part of our community.